Hello everyone, Larry back with you again, and what I'm working on today is changing the lights here on Silver Stall. Now, Silver Stall is the name we gave to the garage or carport, that is, where I park my truck Silver. The problem that I've got is what I showed you in the beginning of this video. Looking at it right now, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these bulbs that are out. They come with about 4 replacements, and I've already changed 2, so I've got 2 left. And I don't know about putting regular bulbs in these, but I've got a set of LED up on the deck that have been burning continuously now for, I'm going to say, at least 2 years. And I saw these on another YouTuber's channel. They were getting ready for their daughter's wedding, and they had put these up out in the area where they were going to have the wedding, and it is a strand of LED lights similar to these incandescents and very similar to the ones that I have on the deck, but this section is 48 foot long. And so what I'm going to be doing is replacing these incandescents with this string of LEDs, and I hope to be able to go around the entire front and down the side where I currently have, down the side is where I currently have the incandescent, but I hope to start here on the front and be able to go all the way around. So let's get started on this. Remember, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and as always, share it with one of your friends on YouTube. So let's get started putting up these LED bulbs, or strand of LED light bulbs here on Silver Stall. Come on, join me. The reason I'm starting on this end is I don't want to have a lot of excess left over, and I don't want to be short. I'll make up for that down where the lights plug in. So that's the reason I'm starting up here at this end. Okay, well there you have it, folks. I'm going to wrap up this video of putting up these LED lights on silver stall. I want to thank you for joining us for this brief video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, as I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe. And for those of you who are coming back, I really do appreciate you joining us here on a regular basis at St. Nix Farms. So until next time, be sure to leave a comment, share it with a friend. This is Larry. So long, everybody. See you later. Have a great one.